Hello friends, welcome once again to the Pay Funds tutorial series. In this series, we are showing you how to make the best use of your Pay Funds wallet in a simple and secure way. In today's video, we will guide you on how to import your wallet from a backup file that you already have saved on your device, especially when you are setting it up on a new phone or a new device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have already installed the PayFunds app from the Play Store on the new device. Once the app is installed, open it. And on the welcome screen, you will see two options: Create Wallet and Import Wallet. Since we already have a wallet backup, we will choose Import Wallet. As soon as you tap on Import Wallet, the app will give you three options to restore your account. The first one is using the recovery phrase. The second one is from a local backup file. And the third option is through a connected exchange wallet. In this video, we will focus on the second option, importing from file. Simply tap on From File, and the app will open your file manager. Now, navigate to the folder where you had saved your PayFunds backup earlier. In our case, the backup file is in the Downloads folder. Select the file, and then you will be asked to enter the password that you had set at the time of creating the backup. It is very important that you remember this password, because without it, the file cannot be restored. Once you enter the correct password, simply tap Import, and within seconds, your wallet will be restored on the new device. All your previous accounts, tokens, and settings will appear just the way they were saved in the backup. This way, you can securely access your PayFunds wallet from any device just by using your backup file and password. So that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to bring your wallet to a new device easily using the backup file option. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more guides and tutorials. And always remember, PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom,